Ever found yourself staring at a checkout page, wondering why your go-to payment method isn't an option? You're ready to buy, the seller's ready to sell, but that digital roadblock? It's frustrating, right? Especially when you're dealing with something as seemingly straightforward as moving money between accounts. Today, we're diving deep into a question that pops up a lot, especially for anyone navigating the world of online transactions and financial platforms. Does Relay accept Zelle payments? Now, before we jump straight into a yes or no, let's unpack why this question even matters. Zelle has become a staple for quick, peer-to-peer transfers. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's often linked directly to your bank account. So, naturally, when you're dealing with platforms like Relay, which, for those who might not know, is a platform designed to simplify financial transactions and streamline payment processes, you'd expect a seamless integration, right? But here's the thing about the financial tech landscape: it's a complex web of regulations, partnerships, and evolving features. What works for one platform might not work for another. So, let's peel back the layers and understand why this seemingly simple question requires a more nuanced answer. First, let's talk about Relay itself. What exactly is it, and what's its role in the financial ecosystem? Relay, at its core, aims to bridge gaps in payment processing. It's designed to facilitate smoother transactions, particularly for businesses and individuals who need to manage multiple payment streams. Whether it's handling invoices, processing online sales, or managing recurring payments, Relay positions itself as a central hub for financial operations. Now, Zelle. It's a different beast altogether. Zelle is a payment network, primarily owned by a consortium of major U.S. banks. It's designed for quick, direct transfers between bank accounts, typically used for sending money to friends, family, or trusted individuals. It's not inherently designed as a payment gateway for businesses or large-scale transactions. This distinction is crucial. Relay is about streamlining payment processes for a broader range of financial activities, while Zelle is focused on simplifying peer-to-peer transfers. So, the question isn't just about whether Relay accepts Zelle, but also about whether Zelle's functionality aligns with Relay's core purpose. To get a clearer picture, let's look at the typical transaction flow. When you use Zelle, you're essentially transferring money directly from one bank account to another. There's no intermediary holding the funds; it's a direct, almost instantaneous transfer. This simplicity is its strength, but it also limits its applicability in more complex financial setups. Relay, on the other hand, often acts as that intermediary. It integrates with various payment gateways and financial services to manage and process transactions. This might involve holding funds temporarily, verifying transactions, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. This added layer of processing is essential for businesses and individuals who need more robust financial management tools. So, where does this leave us with Zelle and Relay? The answer, as you might have guessed, isn't a straightforward yes or no. Typically, direct Zelle integration isn't a standard feature within Relay's payment processing framework. This is primarily because Zelle's design is geared towards those direct, peer-to-peer transfers, not the complex, multifaceted transactions that Relay is built to handle. However, and this is a crucial point, the financial tech world is constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. Relay, like other platforms, is continually updating its features and integrations to meet user needs. And as Zelle continues to grow in popularity, the demand for its integration with platforms like Relay could lead to changes. In the meantime, there are workarounds. For instance, if you're using Relay for business purposes, you might find that your customers can still use Zelle to send payments to your linked bank account directly. While this bypasses Relay's built-in payment processing, it can still serve as a viable payment option. But here's the catch: relying on direct Zelle transfers outside of Relay's system means you're missing out on Relay's benefits. Things like automated record keeping, streamlined invoicing, and integrated payment tracking. These features are designed to simplify your financial management, and bypassing them can lead to more manual work and potential errors. Another factor to consider is the regulatory landscape. Financial transactions, especially those involving online platforms, are subject to strict regulations. These regulations are in place to protect consumers and prevent fraud. Integrating Zelle, with its direct bank-to-bank transfer model, into a platform like Relay requires careful consideration of these regulations. For example, anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, requirements are crucial for ensuring the integrity of financial transactions. Relay, as a platform that handles significant volumes of payments, must adhere to these regulations. This might involve verifying user identities, monitoring transactions for suspicious activity, and maintaining detailed records. Zelle, while also subject to regulations, operates within a slightly different framework. Its focus on peer-to-peer transfers means it might not always align with the more stringent requirements placed on platforms like Relay. This difference in regulatory focus can create challenges when it comes to integration. So, what's the takeaway? While direct Zelle integration isn't typically a standard feature within Relay, there are alternative approaches and workarounds. And as the financial tech landscape continues to evolve, the possibility of future integrations remains. For users, it's essential to understand the capabilities and limitations of both platforms. If you're looking for a simple, quick way to send money to friends and family, Zelle is an excellent option. But if you need a robust platform for managing business transactions and streamlining your financial operations, Relay offers a more comprehensive solution. It's also crucial to stay informed about updates and changes. Financial platforms are constantly evolving, and new features and integrations are being added regularly. Keeping up to date with these changes can help you make informed decisions about your payment methods and financial management tools. In the end, the question of whether Relay accepts Zelle isn't just about a simple yes or no. It's about understanding the nuances of these platforms and how they fit into the broader financial ecosystem. It's about recognizing the differences in their design, functionality, and regulatory considerations. And it's about staying informed and adaptable in a world where financial technology is constantly changing. Ultimately, the best approach is to explore the specific features and capabilities of both platforms and choose the options that best meet your needs. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or an individual managing your finances, understanding these nuances can help you make smarter decisions and streamline your financial operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.